We're checking out the boys. We're gonna teach them how to ride a dirt bike. I don't know if they already know how to ride a dirt bike, but we're gonna give them some tips, hang out. So yeah, it should be cool.
Just try not to crash, honestly. I kind of know how to ride, but I don't know how to ride this. So we'll see what happens here.
Saw a bird flying around in the stadium. How did he get in here?
First of all, we got a short track this weekend, so we're waiting on riders meeting. It's gonna be short track, ready conditions, and yeah, we got to do a little sightseeing in the stadium. We found a bird landing on top of the finish line sign. Hopefully they don't torch that thing and test it out. But I don't know how that thing's finding its way out, let's be honest.
Yeah, he ended up having a pretty unfortunate practice crash during the week at Hemet, and we tried to ride on Wednesday, I believe it was. Yeah, Wednesday, to see if he was good to go, and he's definitely feeling better, but with it being an East-West shootout, you kind of have to really be on your A-game for it, and we thought it was probably best for him to not race this weekend, especially with him missing the first 2 rounds. I mean, he didn't even get on the team until just before 8-2, so it's not really in the hunt for the points, and it's more important to kind of keep him safe and not put him in a situation where he feels like he has to push when he can't. He's not feeling at 100%, so we felt as a team it was best to have him sit the weekend out and get back to 100%, get more laps in, and come into Seattle just swinging.
It's been a struggle for sure. First time at Indy, just struggling to get used to the ruts. I've never really ridden anything like it on a Supercross track. I feel like I'm learning Supercross all over again for the first time. Yeah, I mean, shootouts aren't always the most fun thing because of that. But, in a way it can kind of give you some confidence knowing that you can be up there with those guys, in that heat race and then carry that on to the next weekend. So there's some pluses and minuses, but yeah, it's always stressful and always tough. So I'll do my best tonight.
Yeah, so far so good. Feeling confident and comfortable with my bike, and yeah, I'm ready to give it a show in the night show. Yeah, we did some extra work this week and was able to hone in my starts a little bit more, and my practice start and qualifying was good. So yeah, I'm looking forward to hopefully put myself in good position, and the results will come from there.
And the track is really tough. Probably the hardest Supercross track I've ridden, just the way the dirt is and how the track breaks down. But it was like, they take 9 out of the heat going into the main, and yeah, you really don't want to be in LCQ, and you just want to make it through. And it's just a small main event, so I get a good start. And, yeah, run up front.
We just looked at my ideal time, and it's pretty quick. So I just got to link everything together, and it should be a good night. I'm happy with how I feel on the bike. I'm enjoying the track. Very technical, so it kind of forces everyone to slow down in a way. And you got to be really precise. And I think tonight's not even going to be a race. It's going to be if you can find that rhythm the most and just hit your mark. So just got to get off to a good start, like how we tend to do, and yeah, have a good night and just keep it fun. Indy's always a good one for everyone. The fans love the stadium. All of us tend to love this dirt, even though it gets really rutted. There's so much traction out there, and yeah, Dirtworks crushed it on the build. I really enjoy this layout, so just looking to have a good night, and at the end of the day, enjoy it and put a smile on my face.
Yeah, Indy has tracks. It's a little bit chilly out, but yeah, track's tough, man. It's soft as usual and a super technical track. So it's getting tricky, getting technical. Had a close call on that last one, ended up 4th, and we're about to head to this last final qualifying. Hopefully keep the ball rolling. Yeah, St. Jude weekend here in Indy, which is always super awesome. Fly, the whole crew did an awesome job. Let one of the kids do an art and made the gear. So super special, super awesome to be a part of it, and glad when Supercross and St. Jude can connect and make it a huge awareness for everyone.
Yeah, Indy, it's one's a tough one. It's going well. I need to find some more speed, or I would say flow out there. A little bit timid out there, and the track's definitely challenging us. So yeah, just gotta free up a little bit, and yeah, we got one more practice. So this last one was really tough, and just try to find a better flow going into the night show.
Two perfect qualifying shots that we needed, and yeah, hopefully, man, I want to win. So we're gonna just try and execute what we know how to do today. Best I felt on the bike so far, so hopefully it relays.
A little different today, East-West showdown. How are we feeling about having all the big guys around now?
Yeah, I'm the big dog. I'm the big dog around here, but yeah, I don't know. It's cool having some other guys to race. But anyways, I want to beat them, so that's all I care about.
Doing all right, track's soft. It was definitely not pretty there in practice. I ended up P2, but I was a little sketchy. So not how I like to ride, but we'll make the most of it. It's going to be a good night tonight, and we've got some fun, East-West. Good fun.
Day's been going good. I mean, track's pretty gnarly. You know, the ruts are honestly cooked. So, you know, it's just going to be about hitting your marks tonight. Just hitting all the jumps, all the marks, every lap, and that's what's going to be key tonight. I mean, race the track, not the people. You know, it's going to be key hitting your marks tonight.
Ready to go, 250 West. And Hayden Deegan gets a phenomenal start, gets that whole shot, heads into the tunnel first. Where has Hayden Deegan gone? Well, he's more than 5.5 seconds out in front. He's disappeared. He can do anything, and it's a heat win.
Jet.
Whoa! That is a takeout and a half.
He goes for the knockout move. Jet Reynolds does.
250 East is away. Somebody goes down. And it's the championship leader, Max Anstey, who gets away to a terrific start.
I was watching him go, oh! I'm watching the top line, RJ going for it.
Anstey is in such a great headspace at the moment. Yeah. He's talking free, he's riding free, he's living in the moment, he's loving the moment, and he takes the heat win. 450s here in Indy. Let's do it. Cooper Webb on the inside, great start. Oh, is that Webb down? It is!
I know it doesn't seem this way, but even if he can catch up to Sabachi, that could be a big move. And why? Because that's going to help him just one more better gate position than what he would get.
3 opportunities this year. Just get to show what they've got against the opposing division here in Indy. Let's do it!
I think it was Max Anstey that laid it down in the sand section. No, I'm wrong. Start adding them up, and right now Hayden Deegan is in a great spot. Max Anstey not too bad.
Deegan and Shimoda.
There you go.
Oh, Joe comes back. Cody Schock and Carson Mumford are stuck. A couple of teammates fighting it out here. Cole Davies.
Cole Davies coming from behind. Max is kind of going backwards here. Wonder if something's going on.
And look at this. From dropping it in the sand, he's putting the pressure on Juju Beaumare. Speaking of points lead, Hayden Deegan has doubled his advantage. He came into this East-West showdown with a 6-point buffer over Julian Beaumare. That's now 12.
I just rode tight, super tight. Still good though, got a lot of points, yeah. It was good, podium. I'm happy on the night. Gotta think we fit maybe another 6 points down, so now we're 12 ahead. Perfect, it's what we needed leaving this. Get another, you know, comfortable points position, so happy with it. Yeah, now on to, I don't even know what's next. Honestly, I just hop on a plane wherever we're going, Seattle? Yep, Seattle next. Yeah, I mean, dude, hopefully we can win Seattle, because I definitely want to win. I was pushing towards the front pretty hard. I got close, and then I made that pretty bad mistake, but overall, good night, good points, and yeah, on to Washington, I think.
I don't know, just the first few laps was chaos and everyone's freaking going for it, and I just wasn't ready for it. It's that line in the whoops, I went for it and got a little sideways. Hit a tough block, went down, and then sweat on the goggles. Couldn't hardly see, a little bent bars. And it's continue to build on the positives and learn from this one. I think I can be a little bit smarter just there, you know, pushing end of the race, find my spots, and maybe relax a little bit. I think when I get around guys, having so much time off the bike, when I get around guys, I can be a little excitable. So, yeah, keep going.
450 main. Let's go. There's a long way between now and the checkered flag, and Barsha's under pressure, and Cooper Webb just whips up the inside. Inside move by Cooper. Cooper to third. Can Barsha come back?
And a great way for Justin Cooper just to stick with it. Keep putting in his laps. Pass opportunity opened up, and he takes advantage of it. Great job. This guy is absolutely crushing it.
Oh, what's happened here?
Oh.
Was it trouble for Sexton?
Yeah. Oh, what's he doing?
Trouble in the sand. Justin Cooper's gone by for second. He's more than 11 seconds out in front. Here he is.
Well, I can tell you, a lonely race, Lee, is good for somebody, and I am impressed with this guy. I mean, it's no surprise of how he races for championships, but what I think is that I'm most impressed about his performance so far here tonight. He's still got some time going, and we've seen a lot happen tonight, but how he started this race, he made a pass to the lead quick, he gapped these guys and was gone, and no one could recover.
And he shows and just underscores why he is the championship leader and heading down a very positive road towards a third. Cooper Webb victorious in Indy. And it's going to be a Monster Energy Star Yamaha 1-2 with Justin Cooper following his teammate home.
Hell yeah, Mikey! Double podium, baby! Good job, yeah.
I've been close, man, like fighting for the win in Arlington, not getting on the podium. The last one in Daytona, yeah, I missed it by like 3/10, so yeah, it's we got even better, we got second, so it wasn't even third. But it was cool to just be in the race tonight and yeah, get a good start with 13th gate pick. That was huge, and yeah, started like fourth, so was able to work through and keep hitting my marks. Sorry, man, I had to do it.
It was an awesome weekend, man. It was, didn't start out pretty, had a crash in practice, had a crash in the heat, but man, led that main event wire to wire. So stoked. A very nice main event, extended the lead, going to the break. I'm excited.
On two, baby.
Oh, dude, I'm so pumped. And I was in the suites.
Yeah, boys.